Hey, I'm Britton Johnson. I'm the NSX Roving reporter here at VMworld 2018. With me is a fellow Wisconsinite, Bob Plankers. Bob, how are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having me here.
So, Bob, you're with the University of Wisconsin in Madison. What is happening at the UW with regards to NSX?
Well, we're in the very early stages of things right now. We rolled it into our ELA last renewal, and that was pretty cool. So now we get to actually figure out what we're going to do with it. Not to be like, hey, we bought something and have no plan, but where do we want to start is really the question. Microsegmentation, distributed routing, things like that. What is the low-hanging fruit? What's going to be the easiest conversation with our network guys? That sort of thing.
So is there tips that you have for kind of bridging those communications between server guys and network guys who typically don't like each other that much?
You're right. They typically don't like each other that much. I have no good tips. So, be honest, and I always joke that you can choose, things are either done to you or with you, and so this NSX and software-defined networking is a freight train you can see coming, and so, yeah, and the benefits are so massive,
So, what, from an organizational kind of planning stage thing, where do you guys really want to start with this? Have you picked a topic yet?
Well, we've got two prongs, basically. So we've got some DevOps-y folks that really want to do a bunch of containers. They're looking at Kubernetes. They're looking at some of the integrated OpenStack stuff, PKS, things like that. And doing NSX there is crucial. We're never going to be able to, they want to do things automatically. We're never going to be able to do that with humans, So there's that aspect of it. The other aspect is microsegmentation. As we consolidate IT on our campus, we discover, hey, this thing that we just brought into one of our environments has got data that really needs to be protected in a way that we didn't know about before. Being able to right-click on that and pick a different security profile, just apply security in place to it rather than having to jockey it around between VLANs and different firewall contexts and all that stuff. That's going to be huge. That's just a massive time savings.
And are you going to bring in other third-party tools like vRealize Network Insight or App Defense?
Yeah, we've got Network Insight. We're already running that. That's super cool because that'll help us plan. It's already gathering data about what talks to what, so it helps us plan the security profiles that will apply in the future. We also have Palo Alto Networks firewalls on our campus, and we'll use the virtual version of that plugs into NSX.
Cool. Is there any piece of this that was made you guys afraid to jump into this?
Change is always scary, man. All the stuff we've done. We've done this stuff, we've done things a certain way on the server side of things and on the network side of things for 20, 25, 30 years. I'm not immune to change is bad, I try to tell myself this is good, but it's just a little freaky, and who moved my cheese, I don't even have cheese anymore. It's, it's something else. What is it, and just getting past that and just making sure that everyone knows it's going to be okay, that this is, and I guess that's really where I want to start with all this stuff too. Let's start small and grow into it, and you can do that with NSX,
Last question. When was the first time you came across NSX and what was your reaction?
Well, I'll tell you, the first time I ever saw vMotion demoed years ago, ESX2 or something like that, I laughed. And because it was a game changer, and you knew it instantly, boom, this is, your world has just been upended, and it's a good thing. NSX, the first time I saw it, hey, this is going to be really powerful. I didn't laugh, but it wasn't that same visceral reaction, but you knew that this was going to change everything, and this was going to be the bleeding of silos into each other, and But NSX has come a long way since the first Nicira acquisitions, and it's even a different product than it was. It's so much better now, and so I don't know. I'm excited about it.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Bob. Thanks, everybody.